Hi, do you remember when you first got hired, how much pride you had in the company and how much pride they had that they would take you on to work for the company, and you envisioned one day your silhouette would be in their logo? Well, we want to capitalize on that. If you're marketing, you want someone that's fresh on the team to receive a welcome kit. That welcome kit should not be an item, a giveaway, a gift card, something like that. It should have your company logo on it. Why? It's a return on investment. You're sporting them to advertise for you, and no one has more pride in a company than a new employee. Reward that with an extra special new hire kit. Here's one, courtesy of our friends at HCL, is an example of why I would choose a brown box over a custom packaged gateway box, your company logo box. That's not money well spent. They're going to open the box, they're going to take out the items, they're going to throw the box out. Why not just use a regular old brown box, nice packaging, with a label of your company on it? Labels, you can utilize that for a lot cheaper than making your own packaging. Now here's an example of a new employee opening up a box. A little welcome card, welcome aboard. And then everything they need to start their journey with your company right here in the kit. Here we have a backpack with notebook, water jug. Can never drink enough water. And a pen with special knick-knack pens. So perfect display of new items. You have pen, notebook, water bottle, bag. Perfect array. If you have a special company that specializes in something, you can customize these kits any way you want, but you want to be advertising to your already new hires as a way to promote your brand. This has been the Gateway Promo Guy. Thanks for stopping by.